How to make rolling end credits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device. Create a new project with the video in which you want to add the credit ends. Scroll to the end of the video and click on add text. Now you simply can paste the credit which you want to include for this video. I will show you just by writing credit. Edit the text which you like. After that, you can increase the length of the text according to the credit length. After that, scroll the text at the bottom, add a keyframe. You will see the keyframe option beside undo at the top. Then after again scroll a little below. And now CapCut will automatically add keyframe where the cursor moves. So that's it. Now, when you move through the video, you will see that the credit comes slowly. So that's it. That is how easily you can make rolling end credits in CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.